Okay, look, 1 minute. Okay, see here, root of 3. Question is, this is order is 2 here. Here order is 4. We can't say directly which is greater or which is smaller one. So what we'll do, first of all, you have to make it equal. This one and this number should be equal. Now listen, how do we make it equal? Find the LCM of 2 and 4. 2 and 4 LCM is 4. You know that. 2, 4, 2, 1, 2. LCM is 4. Are you okay? First you find the LCM. Okay. Up to here okay or not? Okay. Then now look at here. So then square root of 3 equal to, you write like this. 3 here, 4 here. Steps, listen careful. Look at here. Once again, first you find out the LCM. 2 and 4. LCM is 4. After that, okay. Look, root of 3 equal to root of here. This is 3. You write 4 here. So LCM here. It is actually 2. How this 2 become 4? How this 2 become 4? That means this 4 divided by 2. How much? 2 divided by 2. So you write here. That means 4th root of 9. Okay. 4th root of 7. Nothing to do because already this one 4th root of 7. Okay. Now we can say, look, 4th root of 9 and 4th root of 7, which is greater? 4th root of 9 and 4th root of 7, which is greater? 4th root of 9, right? That means 4th root of 9 greater than 4th root of 7. Okay, but don't write the answer like this. Corresponding which number? Root 3. Root 3 is greater than 4th root of 7. Are you okay? 9, 3 square is what? 3 square become 9. 3 square become 9. Okay. Okay. I'll show. Don't write now. Don't write. I'll explain 2, 3 questions. Then you can start. Okay. Okay. Another question. Okay. Cube root of 4 and 4th root of 9. Cube root of 4 and 4th root of 9. Okay. LCM equal to 12. 3 and 4. Okay. Then cube root of 4 equal to, you write 4, 12 here. 12 divided by 3. How much? 4. So this is equal to 12th root of how much? 4 into 256. Correct or no? 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Okay. Then 4th root of 9. We can write here 9. Here is 12 to 3. How much? 12th root of 9 into 9 into 9. How much? 729. Sure, no? 81 into 9. Okay, 729. Now which is greater? This one, 12th root of 729 greater than 12th root of 256. Then corresponding number. That means 4th root of 9 greater than cube root of 4. You got an idea? Got an idea? Hello? Okay. So, I'll explain again. Look. Listen all again. Listen. Those not getting, listen here. Look. Question is, which is greater? Cube root of 4 and 4th root of 9. Okay. Cube root of 4 and 4th root of 9. Okay. Then first you find the LCM of 3 and 4. Okay. First find the LCM of the question. Listen to the question here. Okay. Cube root of 4 and 4th root of 9. Okay. Here order is 3. Here order is 4. Have you learned before? LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. 3 into 4 is 12. Okay. Then cube root of 4, same question, copy here. Here, write first 12. Okay. 12 divided by 3, 4. Then this 4 raised to 4. That means this one and this one same order, same value only, but order is different. So that means 12th root of 256. Okay. Next one, 4th root of 9. Here 12 divided by 4, 3. 9 raised to 3. That means 12th root of 729. So now, of course, this is greater. Correspondingly, this is greater. Are you okay now? Don't copy. You try 2 3 questions. Then only you can try. Okay. Okay. Now look at here. Another one. Okay. Cube root of 4 and 4th root of 4. Cube root of 4 and cube root of 4 and 4th root of 4. Okay. Look at here. Look. Cube root of 4. Listen, this is first time you are learning. Listen here. Look. Cube root of 4 and 4th root of 4. 4th root of 4. Okay. So LCM is 12. 3 and 4 is 12. Okay. No, don't answer now. I'll explain. After that, you will get the chance. Anyone? Don't write. Okay. Now, cube root of 4 equal to, you write 12 here, 4 here. 12 divided by 3, 4. Again, 12th root of 256. Then 4th root of 4 equal to 12, 4 here, 3 here. That is 12th root of 64. Okay. Then, which is greater? This is greater. That means cube root of 4. Clear now? This is greater. No, don't try to answer this one. Cube root of 4 is greater. Clear now? Any doubt? Okay, I'll show one more question. Okay. Okay, wait. I'll show. Okay, listen here. Check the board. Look. Cube root of 10, comma, root of 5. Cube root of, no, after this question you can write. Cube root of 10 and root of 5. Okay. LCM of 3 and 2. LCM is 6. Then cube root of 10 equal to 10 here, 6 here. 6 divided by 3, 2. That is 6th root of 100. Then root of 5 equal to 10 here, 5 here, this is 2. It is 5. So 10th root of 5 into 5 into 5, how much? 5 into 5 into 5 into how much? 125? No. Yeah, 125. Okay. So, which is greater? This part is greater. Root of 5 is greater. Okay. Now we can try some questions. Okay. Try now. Right. Now add your notebook. Question number 1. Root of 3, comma, 4th root of 7. 2. Root of 2, comma, cube root of 3. Question number 3. Cube root of 4, comma, fourth root of 9. Okay. Try these questions. You try. Okay. If not getting asked me, I'll show you. Okay. Okay. Now 5 raised to 5. You only said no. It is not 125. It is not 125. It is greater than that. Okay. 625 into 5. 1225 like that. Okay. 625 into 5. That you have to check it. Now only writing an answer. Okay. Greater order, greater that number. No, not like that. Okay. You follow this. Follow these 3 questions. Okay. Follow these questions, then we'll check again. Okay. Don't make your own decision and all. Okay. Wait. 3 questions. You finish it, then one by one I'll do again. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay. Look at here. This is third question. Cube root of 4, comma fourth root of 9. Fourth root of 9. Okay. Now listen here. Look, I'll show one by one. Okay. The first question. Listen. Let me write the question here. Root of 2, comma cube root of 3, cube root of 4, and fourth root of 9. Okay. Look at here now. Listen. Cube root of 3 and fourth root of 7. LCM. The steps you are write like this. LCM 12. No, 2 and 4. It is 4. LCM is 4. Okay. You can, if you want, you can write LCM of 2 and 4 equal to 4. Then root of 3 equal to, here you write same 3, but here you write 4. Then think about 4 divided by 2, that is 2 here. That is 4th root of 9. Okay. Then 4th root of 7, directly we can write 4th root of 7. Therefore, 4th root of 9 and 4th root of 7, 4th root of 9 is greater than 4th root of 7. But answer is corresponding root 3 greater than 4th root of 7. Okay. Are you okay now? Is it okay? First question okay or not? Anyone have doubt? First question, tell me. Anyone? Anyone have first question? I'll wait. We don't want to go very fast. Okay. Anyone have doubt? Tell me now. Okay. If I move here, I can write. Yes, because the question others. The question is what? The question is saying which is greater, not this one. Others. The question is what? In this, which is greater. So you are sure which is greater. Okay. Final answer. Explain what? First of all, look at here. First of all, you find the LCM of this order is 2, this order is 4. So LCM is 4. Okay. Then take this number, root 3. We change the order 4. Same 3 here. 3 divided 4 divided by 2 is 2. 3 square is 4th root of 9. Similarly, 4th root of 7, nothing to do. So same order, this is greater. Okay. Clear now? We'll see now next one. So okay. So second question now. Look at here. Second also I'll show you. Look at this one here. Because a new topic for you. Okay. Root of 2 comma cube root of 3. Okay. LCM is 6. 2 here, 3 here, 6. Root of 2 equal to, just write 2 here, 6 here. 6 divided by 2, 3. That is 6th root of 8. Then cube root of 3, 6 here, 3 here. Okay, 6 divided by 3, 2. That is 6th root of 9, which is greater. This is greater, so cube root of 3 is greater. Okay, right? Clear now? Okay. Who joined today? Aditya. Okay or not? The new student, Aditya. Hey, hello, Aditya. You got or not? Aditya Srivastava. You got? Okay. No, you can type it. You can type enough. No need to say. Just I cannot give the mic to one because okay. Mic no problem. It is less enough. Okay. So now third question. Listen here. Third one. Aditya, you have you finish class 1, class 2 only, no? You have to finish other part also. Okay. Okay, now next one, cube root of 4, comma, 4th root of 9. 4th root of 9. Okay, there may be some next problems. Okay, look. Cube root of 4, comma, 4th root of 9. LCM equal to 12. Okay, so cube root of 4 equal to 12 here, 4 here, 12 divided by 3, 4. that is 12th root of 256. Then 4th root of 9 equal to 12 here, 9 here. 12 divided by 4, 3. How much? 12th root of 7, 29. So which is greater? This is greater, accordingly this is greater. Okay, you don't have problem, then tell me now. Okay, we have got next questions. Okay. Okay, so now, are you okay now? Then we are going to do three numbers. That's why I'm doing it. Okay. Try this one. Right. Arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. What is the meaning ascending order? What is the meaning in ascending order? Small to big. Okay, look at here. In my first question, cube root of 4, comma, cube root of, cube root of 3, cube root of 3, sixth root of 7, 12th root of 48. Once again, cube root of 3, cube root of 3, okay, sixth root of 4, sixth root of 7, and 12th root of 48. Cube root of 3. Wait. Some corrections there. Here, fourth root of 3. Okay. Once again, fourth root of 3, sixth root of 7, 12th root of 48. 12th root of 48. Ascending order, small to big. Okay. If you can write in comma, okay, same is 12. Okay, that is doesn't matter. You find out now. Okay. I am not going to explain to you. Okay, what is this? Wait. Okay. Look at here. Okay. Look. Here, don't try now. LCM equal to 12. Okay. Fourth root of 3 equal to 12. 3 here. 12 divided by 4, 3. 3. Okay. So 12th root of 27. Sixth root of 7. 12 here. 7 here. 7 divided by 12 divided by 6. 2. That is 12th root of 49. Okay. Okay, now 12th root of 48, same 12th root of 48. Okay, ascending order means first. Oh, same order. No, this is first. 12th root of 27, 12th root of 48, 12th root of 49. Then corresponding 4th root of 3, 12th root of 48, then 6th root of 7. Okay, everyone got this. If you want, you can write this way, or you can put a symbol also. No problem. Okay. Okay. Anyone have doubt? Tell me. Okay. Because I cannot check your books. That's not really good. If you have doubt, tell me. I'll explain. Okay. We should add greater than and less than. It's up to you. If you want, you can write. That's all. If you're not writing, no problem. Or you can write 4th root of 3 greater than 12th root of 48 greater than 6th root of 7. That's my issue. Okay. Okay. You try next question. Okay. 4th root of 6, cube root of 7, root of 8. Okay. I want to tell you one thing. The DPS now through which program you are online class? DPS. Zoom? Oh, okay. MS Team. Oh, how come we do MS Team and same school? DPS which one? Zoom or MS Team? MS. Okay, okay. Okay. And Bhavan's. Okay, MS Team is good. More security and all. Okay. Okay, try this one. Fourth root of fourth root of fourth root of fourth root of 6, cube root of 7, and root of 8. Okay, try. Okay, try now. Okay. So look at here. Look, those not getting listen here. LCM is 12. Okay. Fourth root of 6. Okay. 6 here, 12 here. 12 divided by 4, 3. So 12th root of how much? 6 into 6 into 6, how much? 216? 216. Okay. Okay. Cube root of 7. 12 here, 7 here, 4. 12th root of 7 into 7 into 7. How much that one? 2401. Are you sure? Now I'm just writing what he said. Okay. Cube root, square root of 8. 12 here, 8 here. Here, 12 divided by 6. How much that? How much? 262144. 262144. I trust you because you said that one. Okay. Okay. So which is greater now? Okay. Okay. So next one. Next one, right? Okay. Cube root of 10, comma, fourth root of 25, sixth root of 30, sixth root of 30, cube root of 10, comma, fourth root of 25, and sixth root of 30. Write in ascending order. Write in ascending order. Write in ascending order. Okay. Try now. Okay, wait. No, it is wrong. Dhruv, it is wrong. Honestly, what are you doing? This is wrong. What are you writing? You check what I follow what I just explained. That way you do it. Ascending order. Ascending means you are small first. Okay, 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay, so Look at here. Look at here. Listen now. First of all, LCM again 12. Correct or no? LCM is 12. 3, 4, 6. 3, 1, 4, 2. 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, LCM is 12. Now look at here. Cube root of 10. Listen now. Follow this way. Here 12. 10. 12 divided by 3. How much? 4. That is 12th root of 1. 4 zeros. Are you okay, man? Are you okay? Okay. Next one. 4th root of 25. 25 here. 12 here. 3. How much that? 12th root of 25 into 25. How much? 15625. 1. Sure, no? 15625. 15625. Okay. Last one. 6th root of 30. 12 here, 30 here. 2. That is 12th root of 900. Okay. So that means this is the first one. First this one. Second this one. Third this one. So answer is what? 6th root of 30 greater than cube root of 10 greater than 4th root of 25. 4th root of 25. Are you okay now? Okay, correct it. Because we made a mistake. Okay. Then wait, just correct it now. Angelina, what I told you to correct, I didn't ask about your Blackboard or Zoom or something. Okay, you are thinking that one? Angelina, you got the answer? You got the answer or not? In between our discussions, okay? So, next question. Look at here. Next question. Look. Okay, root of 7, cube root of 10, comma, 6th root of 120, 6th root of 120, root of 7, comma, cube root of 10, and 6th root of 120. Okay, clear now. Everyone can see now. This one I can see. I can see here. Square root of 7, cube root of 10, 6th root of 120. Why is Kumar your board your problem? You're using phone or laptop or iPad or tab? Kumaran. Which one are you using? Laptop. Then what's the problem? Look. Root of 7. You can see, others can see, no? Root of 7. Yes. Root of, okay, anyway, not see what doesn't matter here now. Root of 7, you read. Cube root of 10. 6th root of 120. Now we try. Sixth root of I didn't ask you the I asked you to write in great ascending order, not which is greater. Okay, look at here. So LCM is again 12. LCM equal to 12. So 7 through root of 7 equal to 12 here. 7, 12 divided by 2, 6. Oh, how much this one? That's a big number, I think. What is that one? 117649. 117649. This is your side. I don't guarantee. Okay, you said not. Cube root of 10. 10. 12 here, 4 here. Okay, this is I know. 12th root of 4 zeros. Okay. 6th root of 120. That is 12 here, 122. Okay, 12, 144, 0, 0. How many zeros? 2 zeros. Okay, correct or not? Okay, what is the order now? The order is cube root of 10, cube root of 10 first, then this one and this one. Clear now? How come LCM 6? 3, 2, 3, 2, oh sure, I didn't check that. 2, 3, 6. Okay. 2, 1, 3, 3. Yeah, LCM is 6 only. Oh, who said? Somebody said here LCM is 6, 12 again. Correct all. Correct all. I didn't check. Somebody said here here. Yeah, you said. Somebody said 12. I don't think it is correct. Okay, correct it now. It's wrong. Okay. It's wrong. Okay. But answer may be correct, but step is wrong. Okay. So correct it now. Answer may change. You get 6th root of 30, cube root of 10, 4th root of 25. Okay. So now, clear now? Okay, now try this question. Cube root of 12, comma, 4th root of 20, okay, 6th root of 25, root of 80, comma, 12th root of 112. I'll read again. Cube root of 12. fourth root of 20, sixth root of 25, root of 80, 12th root of 112, 12th root of 112. Okay, try now. Nidhir, what are you asking? Answer will change. What the answer will change? What? Answer. The steps wrong means answer is wrong. Okay. Step. If the steps is wrong, no valid for the answer. Okay. Steps is important thing. Okay. When you dance, steps is wrong. What the meaning? Question. Cube root of 12. Okay. Fourth root of 20. Sixth root of 25. Root of 80. 80. Then 12th root of 112. 112. Right. Third absent, last class absent, third. Come on. Last class absent and complete the note. Now into the sentence here. I didn't ask you. Yes, she. Okay. I asked the answer only. Because you said last time you made a mistake. What is the question, Vishwa? Saying not wrongly. And why asking again and again same question? You are asking you should write that then who will write? And someone write you. You should write. Third one write is billion. Okay. I don't know. Hey, third one, I don't think any problem. Third one. Okay. You try. I'll give the answer. Okay. Answer is first root of 80. Next cube root of 12. Okay. Then fourth root of 20. Then sixth root of 25. Then 12th root of 112. This is the order. Okay. The answer is root of 80. Okay, ascending order, right? Okay. Look at here. Listen. LCM is 12. Cube root of 12. 12 here. Okay. 12 divided by 3, 4. What is the answer? 12th root of how much? 207. Now different answer. 20736. Big way. It's wrong. 20736. 4th root of 20. That is 20 here. 12. 3. How much? 12th root of 8000. Right? Okay. Then 6th root of 25. 25 here, 12 here. It is 2. Okay, 6th root. How come a billion comes? Not that 25, 25, 625, right? Okay. Root of 80. 80 here, 12 here. 12 divided by 2, 6. Oh, yeah, correct. Okay. How much that? 89 to 6, how much? Oh my God. Okay. So, it's kind of writing. Then 12 root of 12. Then you can find. Okay. Okay. This is enough now. So now we are going to finish this. This section is over now. So I told you second part of this. Okay. Look at here now. Right. You have the geometry box near to you, right? Geometry box handle with you, right or no? Okay. Okay. Keep it ready, around. Okay. So keep it ready, all geometry box, sharp pencil, and everything. Okay. Okay. Look right now. Representing irrational number, representing irrational numbers, representing irrational numbers on the number line, representing irrational numbers on the number line, representing irrational numbers on the number line, representing irrational numbers on the number line. Okay. Representing irrational numbers on the number line. Look at here. Okay, we have some numbers. We learn any rational numbers and irrational numbers. There is a point on the number line. Correct or no? Okay. What do you call rational numbers and irrational numbers together? Rational plus irrational real numbers. Okay. Every real number. Listen. Every real number. Okay. Enough. Every real number have a unique point on the number line. We can find, that means every real number we can represent on the number line. Okay. That means accordingly all irrational numbers also, there is a point on the number line. Okay, first question. Right. Locate root 2 on the number line. Locate root 2 on the number line. Locate root 2 on the number line. You have to learn some special numbers. So root 2, root 3, root 5, root 8, root of 13, like that. Okay, not much. Okay. First of all, root 2, I'll show you. Okay. Listen here. Okay. This is the number line first. Okay. There is some in online class, the construction, some limitation is there. Okay. Actually, it need a direct class. Okay. Anyway, there is no other option. First of all, you are going to take a scale. Okay. How we are using the scale? You write here scale. Okay. You can take, if you want, you can take 1 centimeter, 1 unit. 1 unit equal to 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter, or don't write down with. You asking me, should we write? Who will write? Rigved, answer me. Then who will write? Every time you ask you whether to write or not. Then who will write? Teacher will come and write to you, or somebody you arrange for writing, like some cricket match runners there is. I don't know, right? Hey, cricket match is in. Do not play here. Play cricket. No one play cricket. Come on, no one play cricket. Yeah, it's good. That is very stupid match. Okay, right? Because 22 players, 13 players play. Rest all simply sitting. Right? It's only in Commonwealth countries, British colonies only, not in US, not in France, not in Germany. Why? Because it will spoil all other sports activities. Okay, that's why only in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, New Zealand, Australia, that area only. Not in. It's not good for, not advisable to any developing countries. Full time throughout the play, who can see? Who can play? You have to go to school, you have to go to the office and all. Sometimes 5 days match. Even after 5 days, there is no result also. Then draw. Okay. And sometimes they keep near the monsoon area. Okay, now we have many instrumentaries. We can predict weather situation and all. They keep near monsoon. Then 5th day say due to rain, no match. Why can't you keep it near Rajasthan and all? Right? Very stupid match, this one. Okay, football not like that. 1.5 hours, everyone go and watch, enjoy the match. It not affect your school, not affecting the office and all. It's not like that. But this is the dress also, no, very stupid dress, white color, white and white. That also very lazy people dress. Correct? Okay, come on. Listen here, come to the point. The scale, this is up to you. If you want, you can take one unit equal to 1 inch. I prefer that because you'll get a good picture. If you take 1 centimeter, 1 unit, 1 centimeter, it is very small. Okay, very small. We cannot turn the compass. That's the thing. I hope. Okay, we will take 1 inch. Are you okay? Your scale 1 inch is there. Your scale, come on. Mohit, 2 centimeter also no problem. Okay, that's up to you. That is you decide it. I cannot say. Okay. Some scales may be no inch and all. If you buy from Adina store scale and all, there is no inch. Okay. Or you buy from Friday market, there is no inch. Okay. So very small. Okay. Look at here. So I'll take 1 inch. Okay. This one. I'll take 1 inch, 1 unit, 1 inch. If it is 2 centimeter, 2 unit, it is 2 inch like that. Okay. If you want, that's up to you. Those who are taking 2 centimeter, 1 unit, 2 centimeter. Okay. So that we are trying. Why are you writing scale? Any idea? Your school finished this one? No. Okay. Listen here. So, look. Why you want write the scale? What the reason you're writing scale? Any idea? Measurement? No. What is the measurement? No. Okay. Very you no. Reason is, listen here. Suppose you're drawing a world map. Okay. We cannot bring a paper like a world. So small paper. You have to draw, like suppose Kuwait map we are drawing, DPS school and Kuwait city. We cannot bring a paper like Kuwait. Okay, very big paper. So you are draw in a A4 paper. So then when you draw DPS and Kuwait city may be 4 centimeter difference only. So you write in a scale. Scale 1 centimeter equal to 10 kilometer. So that means Kuwait city and DPS school is 40 kilometer. Okay. Clear now? Use of scale. Okay. Another example. Suppose when you draw the population, when you see the graph, in some pictures you can see in newspapers and all. Okay, like this. Okay. Here, like this. This is people. Okay. UP. Okay. TN. Kerala. Okay, MP. UP bigger one. Okay. Arunachal Pradesh. ARN. Only one. Okay, then scale here like this picture 1 million. 1 million. Okay. If you are reading newspaper, you can see the like these pictures and newspapers and especially Hindustan Times, Times of India. Some anyone notice like this graphical representation, pictorial representation? Yes, correct. Yes, good way. Nancy said. Okay, why? Listen. Now listen here. They're saying one that symbol is 1 million. So 1 UP 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 million people. Okay, here 1 2 3 4. That is what 4 million. Kerala 1 2 3 3 million. Madhya Pradesh 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 million. Arunachal Pradesh only 1 million. Like that. Okay, Arunachal Pradesh is a very small place, a big state, but less population of Arunachal. Okay, that area, Arunachal, then what? Nagaland, Sikkim, yes, another one. Next place one. Seventh, Goa is not related. Who this one? Others. Come on. No. I'm asking you near northeast states. Which are the states? The 7 states. Mizoram. Okay. Arunachal, Meghalaya, Assam, then Manipur, Tripura, Sikkim. These are the 7 states. Okay. Okay. I was there before. I was in Don Bosco School in Nagaland. Okay. I know that area. Okay. Come on. Okay. This is the use of scale. Now understand what is the use of scale? Okay. Okay. Now look at here. Okay. Now come to our question. Okay. Okay, we are going to draw 2 centimeter, 1 inch we are taking. Okay, look. Here should have arrow here. Here also arrow. If there is no arrow, they'll cut half mark. Why? If no arrow, what the meaning? If no arrow, what the meaning there? Endless. No, question is what? Question is locate root 2 on the number line, right? If it is no arrow, it is a line segment only, correct or not? It is a limited one. Yes, it is a line segment. So it should have arrow. No arrow here, minus mark 1 by 2. Here, no arrow, minus 1 by 2. So before starting, one mark is lost. So better don't start. No, before starting, straight away one mark is lost. Okay. So make sure that is arrow. Now look at here. I put 0 here, 1 inch. I'm taking 1. Here 2. Here is minus 1, minus 2. Every 1 centimeter, 1 inch. If you are taking one unit, 2 centimeters accordingly. Okay, clear now? This is okay? Step 1 okay or not? Okay, then now DPS students, it's more easy. Okay, GIS and Bhavans and all, they have to use the compass only, not protractor. Now you have to draw a perpendicular here. Okay, perpendicular here means, look, if you have the protractor, keep it your protractor here. Okay, let me check my protractor here. Okay, look at here. DPS also compulsory compass. Sure. Oh, then this year, last year it was okay. Last year it was protractor only. Okay. Anyway, if it is protractor, very simple. Look at here. Keep it here. Protractor here, and you show 90. Okay. Then just draw. Finish. Okay. Okay. Then if it is a compass, what we will do? Look at here. Keep the compass here, the sharp end. Tick one arc here, like this. Tick. Here also tick. There is no sound. Okay. Look. Tick. Tick. Okay. Then from here, you take here and here. Okay. Clear now? Are you okay or not? Okay. Listen. I tell you one method. Come on. Listen all. Hey, listen all. I tell you one method. Okay. But don't tell anyone. I suggest it. Ready now? Hello. Ready? Okay. You use the protractor and make the correct perpendicular. Okay. Then take the compass. Keep tick 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 tick. So clean will get it. Okay. So no one can catch you whether you use the protractor. Okay. But don't suggest don't tell anyone I suggest like this. Okay. Okay. So we got now perpendicular. Whether you use the protractor or a compass, but you make sure this angle should be 90 degrees. If it is anyone getting like this, you can understand it's not 90 degrees. Okay. Don't mark it, throw the book. If anyone show like this, it's 90 degrees. Okay. Then again, you take here one unit here. So here O here, A here, B here. This also one, this also one. Then join this one like this. Okay. Now, after that, now compass required, compulsory. Take the compass here like this. Like this. See? So here it comes like this. Okay. So this is our root 2. This also minus root 2. This length is root 2. Okay, clear now? Okay, now you draw. I'll give the steps. Right. I'll give the steps. Okay, right. Step one. I'll give the steps. Okay. Okay. I'll explain again. Write the steps. Okay. Steps of construction. You are right. You write first, then I'll explain to you. Okay. Steps of construction. Right. Right. Number one. Draw a number line. Draw a number line. First, you write. Draw a number line and mark a point O. And mark a point O representing 0 on it. Representing 0 on it. Representing 0 on it. Okay. Look at here. First, draw a number line. Okay. Here 0. This part okay or not? Who will ask the doubts? Who will ask doubts? Okay. Okay. First part clear now. Step number one clear. But draw a number line and mark a point O representing 0 on it. This part I have everyone clear. Who will ask previously down, up, down, and 0. Clear or not? Okay. Then after that, step 2 right. Let a point A. Let point A represent 1. Okay, you mark it here. This is you should mark 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. 1 inch each. Every 1 inch, right? 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Okay. That's clear or not? Is it okay now? All. Okay. Next one. Let point A represent 1. Here A. This point. This is A. 1 inch is equal to no. Not a question, man. 1 inch is not equal to 2 centimeter. I told you, if you want, you can take 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeter, or take 1 centimeter, 1 inch as 1 unit. You fix first that one. Point number 2. Point number 2 means your scale with you every inch. 0 here, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2 like that. That means line here. Look, line 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. But you keep the scale. Keep the scale and mark it. Don't just mark it. Okay, like this. Keep the scale here and you mark it. Asma, clear or not? Okay. Okay, the first marking you put A. Okay. Then next point, draw a line perpendicular through A. Next point, through A, draw a line perpendicular to the line segment. Okay, right? Through A, draw a line perpendicular to the line. Perpendicular to the, through A, draw a line perpendicular to the line. That means here, how, if you are using compass, right? Okay, or protractor, up to you that. If you are compass using, you can have an arc here, an arc here, an arc here. Then from here, an arc here. Then draw like this. It should be like this. Okay, listen here. Here, through A, draw a line perpendicular here. Clear now? Don't ask now, Asma. Okay, then After that, take again 1 unit here. Save 1 inch. B. Save 1 unit. Okay, step 3. Again, here draw perpendicular and take 1 unit here. Others okay? Step 3. Just drop. Okay, then next step, right? Join OB. Next step, right? Step number what? Join OB. Okay. Then next step, right? Through O as sender, right? Next step. What is step number? What is the step number? What is the step number? Okay, 5. Through O, right? Through O as sender, right? Draw O as sender. Draw O as sender. OB as radius. OB as radius. Draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle which intersect the number line. Okay, you can hear that. I'll show you. Look at this one. This is the one like this. See, enough. If you want, you can draw it here also. No problem. Okay, it's not a cut. Just draw like this. Like this. Not a cut. Then ask about the minus root 2. So here, this point is you mark like this. This is root 2. Don't mark like this. Up. Our root 2 is not on the. Our root 2 not on the not in air on the number line. Step 3. Step 3 now. Look. Now this one I told you the limitation in the construction chapter. There's a limitation in online because like how to teach the swimming through online like that only. Okay, swimming class in online. Okay, look at here. One sec. Anyway, I'll try again. Look, 1 plus 3. Okay, then it will be okay. Listen here. First, draw number line. Step number 1. Okay, here 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Okay. Anyone have problem with the step number 1? Step number 1 is just draw a number line. Number line according to the scale. So that means here 2 inch difference. Sorry, 1 inch difference. 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch. If you are taking 2 centimeter, everywhere 2 centimeter. Clear or not? Everywhere 2 centimeter or 1 inch. Okay. Then I put step 2. You mark here A. Okay. Step 3. Step 3. Draw a perpendicular here like this. Okay. You can use compass or protractor. If you are using compass, keep the compass here. Okay. The compass here. Look. Keep the compass here. Take one arc, an arc here. Then from here, an arc here, and arc here. Draw it. Okay. Then after that, here we take 1 unit. That is B. That is step number. Next step. Next step, join OB like this. Okay. Then next step, through O as and draw O as sender, OB as radius. Draw a semicircle or an arc like this, which intersect here like this. See? This point is you mark like this. This is root. Now clear or not? Is it okay now? Okay. Now you draw. Okay. Draw first now. Okay. Draw. Okay, Asma, you finished. Can you send me? Let me see some guys to send. Okay. Some guys just send me. What you got? Take a picture and send. Not all. Those who got doubt and all. Okay. If you draw semicircle also no problem. Okay, that's not a problem. Okay, enough. So far I got it is all correct. Okay, those who are doing semicircle also no problem. Okay, not don't send all together. Okay. Then I won't get time to check. Okay. Okay. Step number 5. What I said. Step number 5. Look at here. Step number 1. Draw a number line. Step number 2. Mark a point A. Step number 3. Draw a perpendicular. Step number 4. Take a point here, which is 1 centimeter. Step number 5. Draw draw a semicircle. O as center, OB as radius. Draw a semicircle. O as center, OB as radius, which intersect the number line. Finish now. Clear now? Is it okay now? Okay. Now, okay. Then what is the proof here? Listen here. I show the proof. That is the important thing. Okay. Then I will finish. Look here. OA how much? 1. AB how much? 1. In triangle OAB, you study this one. OA square plus AB square equal to OB square. What is this one? You studied or not? You studied in lower class, I think class 6. Which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So 1 square plus 1 square equal to OB square. That means OB square equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. OB equal to root 2. This is only addition. This is the proof. You write? You write like this. OB square equal to, right? Don't write like this. OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. In bracket, write Pythagoras theorem. In bracket, you write Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Then OB square equal to 1 square plus 1 square. Next line, OB square equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. OB equal to root 2. So I'm writing the note now. You can write now. OA square, OB square. Don't check the board. OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. Pythagoras theorem. OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. Okay. Shall I finish? Okay. Then OB square equal to 1 square plus 1 square equal to 1 plus 1. Then OB square equal to root 2. Sorry, 2. Therefore, OB equal to root 2. OB equal to root 2. OB equal to root 2. Are you okay now? Okay. So once again, I'll tell you how to do this one. Okay, those problems, listen here. Because next is root 3, same way only. That's what I'm telling you. If you know root 2, then everything you can do it. Okay. Look. Once again, listen all. Those who are problem, listen here. First of all, you decide the scale. What? You decide the scale. You write on the top left, top. Which side that? Right side, right? Your paper. Yeah, right side. Scale. Okay. Then write half and just down. 1 unit equal to 1 inch. Okay, or 1 inch. Okay, that's up to you. What scale you are taking? Okay. Then draw number line. Okay. If there is no scale, minus half lost. This arrow, minus half lost. This no arrow, minus half lost. Okay. So 1.5 straight away lost. Last year, one student lost like this. One student got 79 out of 80. 1 mark lost because of 2 arrows not there. Okay. So careful that. Okay, not O, Jayant. No arrows. What O? Jayant. What is O? What? Not O. Arrow is not there. Okay. So then step 1, you make this here O. Now O here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus. This all according to the scale. 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch like that. Then you mark it here A. Then draw a perpendicular using protractor. If you are using protractor in school, straight away you can use protractor, no issues. If you are using compass, you should have a compass. Okay. Here now, that depends on school. I cannot say that one. Okay. As per the board, it is compass only. Actually, that is not required. Protractor enough to get a perpendicular. Okay. Draw perpendicular. To get the using the compass, keep the compass here, make an arc here, big arc, same arc here, then from here. Okay. Before using the compass, you tighten your screws. Make your screw loose. Okay. Then next step, here take also 1. Okay, this is B. Then join OB. Next is what? O as center, OB as radius. Draw a circle like this. It is cut. Where it is cut, that is root 2. Then you mark like this. This is the root 2. Don't mark like this. Root 2 on the number line only. Root 2 not on the air. So marking is important thing. This one here only. I hope now clear, right? Everyone okay now? Okay. So you have to what you have to do? Then write the steps of construction. Okay. Look at here. The construction part is these are the parts. First you write given what draw root 2 on the number line. Okay. Okay. Wait. Root 2 on the number line. You write first required root 2 on the number line. Then write steps of construction. Then construction. Then justification. Okay, justification only this one, the Pythagoras theorem part. In triangle OAB, OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. You write Pythagoras theorem. Okay. If you're not writing this one, here you'll get half mark, you'll miss it. At the same time, you'll get sin because the only theorem. Okay, you get you miss half plus you get sin also. Okay, because only theorem only. Okay, okay. Then here 1 square plus 1 square, that is 2. Therefore, OB equal to root 2. If you want, you can say equal to, this is C, equal to OC. So this line up to here is all root 2. Clear now? I hope everyone okay now, right? Okay. After this one, what we will do, you have to draw a fresh root 2 on the number line and send me today itself. Okay. Clear or not? I want to see whether we correct or not. Root 2. With the points, these are the steps. First you write. Okay. Required. Listen. Required. Then write. Draw root 2 on the number line. 2 steps of construction. Steps of construction. Okay. Write the steps. 5 steps to this. Okay. Then draw it. Then justification. Without steps of construction, it is wrong. There is no value there. If you dance without steps, what? No meaning. Okay. I don't know. We have to dance according to the steps. Okay. Okay. So clear now? Any doubts? Priyansh, you asking what question you asking? Only root 2? Then what are you going to? What a question you asking? Such a kids asking. Mature man. Only root 2. I finished only root 2 only now. Okay. So next one we are going to do. We have no time. Okay. Anyway, I'll just show you root 3. Maybe it's more easy. Okay. Then write. Locate root 3. Locate root 3 on the number line. Locate root 3 on the number line. Locate root 3 on the number line. Okay. Look at here. 2 methods there is. Okay. 2 methods there is. How to draw root 3. Okay. Look. First of all, you draw root 2. First of all, you draw root 2 because we cannot draw root 3 alone. First, you draw root 2. Wait. Then you draw again perpendicular here. This is protractor simple. Okay. If it is a compass, what we will do? My suggestion, we will extend this one here and here compass. Tick tick. Here like this. It will extend tick tick from here and compass. If it is a protractor, it is simple for you. Okay. And here also you take one unit. A, O, A, B, C here or D here because you already used. Join this one. OD you join. Then again you take like this. This one is root 3. Are you okay? Once again, first you draw root 2. Okay. Then from here, I'll show that part. Look. Okay, you did this one, root 2. Then you make a little extended line here. Extended, straight line. Keep the compass here, make an arc here, arc here. Then from here, arc here, arc here. It will go straight. If you are using, okay, look, first you draw root 2. Here or not? First you draw root 2. Okay, root 2 in front of you. Then make little line extended. That this line extended. Okay. Then keep the compass here. Here one arc. Here one arc. Okay. Then keep the compass here. Take an arc. Arc here. Draw line. If you are using protractor, it is very simple. Okay. If you are using protractor, guys, very simple. Suppose you are using protractor, not in this one. Just keep the protractor here. Take a line. That's enough. Okay. Sure. You understood how to draw root 2? Root 2 understood or not? Okay. So then extend this line. Extend. See, you extend this line with the scale. Okay. Then take the compass. We need a perpendicular here. So take the compass and arc here. And here arc. Are you using protractor or compass in school? Sure. Are you using compass or protractor? Compass. Okay. Then okay. DPS one school different teacher different method. What a method, man. Come on. DPS some classes protractor only. Okay. Anyway, you take the compass here. This one arc here and arc here. For the perpendicular. Draw a line here. Take here one unit. Again one unit here. D here. One unit. Join OD. Okay. Join OD. Then O as center, OD as radius. Draw a arc. It comes like this. Root. That means this is the root. Is it okay now? Okay, now you draw. First one getting draw a first root 2. First draw root 2. Center is O. Write the steps. Write the steps. After the root 2, right. Step number 6, right. Step number 6. Step number 6, right. Draw OD, OA, B. Draw BD perpendicular to OB. Draw BD perpendicular to AB. Look. This perpendicular we need. As my school using protractor or compass. Your class. Protractor. So very simple done. No need to worry about the arc. Look, you just keep the compass protractor here. Keep the protractor here. Okay. Just keep the protractor here. Look, protractor here. Okay. See the 90. Just draw. Finish. Now clear? That's not clear now. I know that. You follow this one. After that, actually, you know. Okay. Then take here 1 centimeter, 1 unit here. 1 unit. So that is D. Then join OD. Okay. Last step, right? Last step is what? O as center, right? O as center. O as center. OD as radius. OD as radius. Draw a arc. You cut like this. That is this one, root 3. Okay. So that means this length is root 3. Same way we can do another method that is that I'll tell you next class. If you draw first draw root 2, okay. Yeah, here there is a root. Okay. Now listen here. Everyone, not understand root 3 today. You just draw root 2 only and send. Root 3 only send. Root 3 I'll explain again next class. Okay. Clear now? Oh, we have time now. Okay, what's the time now? Oh, okay. Okay, we have time. Okay, till 2 o'clock. Okay, listen. Then okay, we can finish root 3 also. Look at here. Root 3, root 2 clear now. Okay. Now some schools doing another method. Look at here. I'll show that also. Then okay. Look. Look. First of all, you draw one. Root 2 here. Are you okay? Root 2 okay or not? Are you okay? Root 2 okay or not? Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear now? Hello. Yes. Okay. Some network issue. Okay. Let us wait. Let us see. I'll show the root 3 again. Look at here. Here same. Maybe your school using another method. Look at here. First of all, use our root 2 separate. 0, 1, 1 here, 1 here, root 2 here. You mark root 2 here. Draw here root 2. Okay. Then again, same draw a line here. Same line, perpendicular. Okay. Where in root 2. Okay. See here, draw again one line. Then just join here. This is our A, B, here C, D here. Then again same. This is root 3. Is it okay for you now? Is it okay? Which is easy? This one easy now. Which one is easy that you can use it? First one. Okay. Once you are using first one, then you can use it. Are you okay now? Both methods okay? It's up to you. Which method you are using? That same, not same radius. To OD. The first, no, second, if not getting the first method, now better use this method. Easy. Look at here. Very simple. Look. O here. Okay. You did B here. This is root 2. Make an arc. This is root 2. Okay. Draw again protractor or compass. Draw a line. How you did here? Same line. Just draw a line. Then this is our this is C, D here. Join. Then O as center, OD as radius. This is our root 3. This is simple. Okay. So I prefer this one now because I feel it's simple. Clear now. Okay. OD has now come same radius, not as posterior asking. From O to D. O to D. You keep the compass here like this. This is the one OD, not same radius. This is root 2 and root 3 different radius. Root 2 and root 3 different radius. This is from O to D. That's why I'm writing now. With O as center, you're writing like this. With O as center, OD as radius. In root 2 is what? OB as radius. Correct or not? The difference understood or not? The difference understood. In root 2, O with O as center, OB as radius. In root 3, O as center, OD as radius. Okay.
No need to write. It is root 3. That is root 3.
You can prove now. Look, I'll show that in triangle. Look, OCD. This triangle. Look at here. OCD. OD square equal to OC square plus CD square. OC root 2. Root 2 square plus 1 square. Root 2 square is 2 plus 1. So that is equal to 3. OD equal to root 3. This is the proof. You have to show the proof also. Which triangle? In triangle OCD. Okay. OD square equal to OC square plus OC square plus CD square. Pythagoras theorem. So root 2 square plus 1 square. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. Measure of the arc is, you check it. How can I say that? There is no meaning of measure of the arc. Measure of the arc means from your paper, from O to D, how much you find out. From O to D, how much in your paper that you measure. Okay. Anyway, not to bother this one. You study only root 2 only. You draw root 2 first, review the paper and study root 2 and details neatly with the scale and draw a root 2. Okay. Now you take 1.5 inch and the complicated one. Take either scale, either 2 centimeter or 1 inch. Not take in between. Okay. And send me root 2 clear. Then we'll start next class root 3. Root 3 I'll show again. You just make sure root 3 only, root 2 only. Are you clear or not? I need today before okay, today or tomorrow. Okay, no problem. Okay. Jayant, you are here. Any problem? I told you you study with the steps of construction. Otherwise, I won't check it. Okay. I tell you again. First, you write represent root 2 on the number line. Okay. Then these are the points. Listen. These are the points required. Number 1, you write header. Represent root 2 on the number. Then steps of construction. 1. Draw a number line and mark the points. Then mark a point O on the number line. Okay. Then taking mark A here. Then draw perpendicular. Then take here one unit. Then taking OB as join OB and OB as radius. Draw an arc. Which cut the number line. That is root 2. In the beginning, you should write scale 1 unit equal to 2 centimeter or 1 inch. That depends on what you take. Okay. Then draw it neatly and finally justification. What? Justification in triangle OAB, OA square plus OB square equal to OB square. Right? Pythagoras theorem. If not Pythagoras theorem, I won't check it. Okay. Then 1 square plus 1 square equal to 2. Therefore, OB equal to root. And you should have marking like this. Listen. O here. Okay, you make it like this. Then arrow here like this. This is root like this. You should show arrow here, not arrow of root 2 not on the air. Root 2 on the number line only. Clear now? Okay. Then you draw. Then next class you start root 3. Are you okay now? Finish. Okay. Not to send now. After tomorrow only not to send now. You study first. Okay. Don't hurry. Okay. So root 3 only you have to. Root 3 I'll show you next class. Okay. This is enough today. Okay.
I told you, a little bit difficulty there is in construction chapter. Reason is what? Again, I'm telling you, just like a swimming class through online, like that only. Some issue there is. This chapter, construction part, only pays for. Just all no issues. Okay, so you have to each construction you have to send me then answer. Because if it's a direct class, I can come and check your book now. You know a way. Okay then.